The Oahu real estate market update for February 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name is Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu. And on this channel, we explore real estate tips and strategies that help us make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then, I'll share the local market info for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. Stick around to the end when I'll share my thoughts on the market outlook for 2024. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 184 homes sold, a 23% increase from 2023. For condos, closed sales are up 6% to 292 homes sold compared to last year. This month saw a slight increase for both single-family homes and condos compared to last month. The single-family home median sales price in January was $1 million, which is a 5% increase compared to 2023. Condos are at $502,500, a 1.5% increase from last year. Prices have stayed relatively stable for both single-family homes and condos. Single-family homes and condos are now spending a median of 29 days on the market, both of which are 20% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 285 single-family homes this month, which is a 6% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 581 condos this month, which is an 11% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have significantly increased compared to last month. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 220 homes, 18% lower than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are 376 homes in escrow, which is less than 1% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 2.8 months, while condos months of inventory increased to 3.5 months. Overall, supply appears to be increasing. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now at 607 homes, a 10% increase year-on-year. For condos, active listings increased to 1,348, a 13% increase year-on-year. Single-family homes active inventory has increased compared to last month. For single-family homes, the percentage of list price received is now 98%, while condos' percent of list price received is 97%. Condos have been on a downtrend since August. Single-family homes sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 30% of total closed sales. About 98% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $700,000 and $1 million accounted for 18% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher, which is less than 1% lower than last year. Overall, prices remain stable year over year, while pending sales and new listings saw a slight decrease compared to last month. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year to date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $1.6 million and is based on 3 closed sales. Days on market are now 59. For Moana, Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $600,000, which is a 19% drop from last year. Days on market are 26 days. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.2 million. Days on market are 22. Condo prices are now $550,000, and days on market are 19. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price dropped to $865,000, and days on market are 28. For condos, prices are now $635,000, and days on market are 23. For Waikiki, single-family home prices increased to $1.675 million, which is a 31% increase from last year. Days on market are 29. For condos, prices have increased by 16% compared to last year, which is now $774,000 and 15 days on market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now $1.7 million. Days on market are 26 days. For condos, the median price is now $755,000 and days on market are 35. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $925,000 and days on market are 5 days. On the condo side, median price is now $380,000 and days on market are 48. For Kaneohe, single-family home median price is now $1.3 million and days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is now $750,000 and days on market are 42. For Kapahulu Diamond Head, median single-family home price is $1.4 million and days on market are 37. For condos, the median price has increased to $607,000, which is 66% higher than last year. Days on market are 16. For Makaha Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is $650,000 and days on market are 55. Condo median price increased to $310,000 and days on market are 27. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is $800,000 and days on market are 48. For condos, the median price is $532,000 and days on market are 35. For Makiki, Moiliili, the median single-family home price is $1.5 million and days on market are 19. For condos, the median price is at $405,000 and days on market are 31. The Mililani median single-family home price is now $975,000 and days on market are 31. For condos, median price is at $535,000 and days on market are 16. The Moanalua Salt Lake median single-family home price increased to $1.525 million, which is 60% higher last year, while days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is now $400,000 and days on market are 50. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price increased to $2 million, which is 49% higher than last year, and days on market are 90. For condos, the median price is $440,000 and days on market are 55. For Pearl City, Aiea, the median single-family home price is now $977,500, 15% higher than last year. Days on market are 30. For condos, the median price is $415,000 and days on market are 22. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is $820,000 and days on market are 44. For condos, the median price increased to $364,000, which is 44% higher than last year, and days on market are 62. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is $1.7 million and days on market are 39. For condos, the median price is $655,000 and days on market are 35. For Waikiki condos, the median price is now $424,500 and days on market are 35. For Waipahu, the median single-family home price is $950,000 and days on market are 47. For condos, the median price is $525,000 and days on market are 35. For the Windward Coast, the median single-family home price is $900,000 and days on market are 93. Overall, supply is still constrained because there aren't enough sellers. However, a recent shift is on the horizon. A national survey of real estate agents by John Burns in early February shows renewed optimism. 55% are now expecting a surge in sales over the next 6 months, a significant jump from just 20% back in October. But it's important to temper expectations. Data on existing home sales doesn't always reflect immediate changes. Typically, this information is reported after the fact, meaning what we see today might represent sales that happened months ago. This delay explains why the National Association of Realtors reported a dip in sales volume for December. Yet, by looking at more current sources like Optimal Blue's Loan Lock database, we're already witnessing an uptick in market activity thanks to falling interest rates. Despite these positive signs, the road to recovery is still long. Many potential sellers are holding off, hoping for even lower rates before they list their homes. This caution is expected to maintain a quiet market until we see a decisive move from the Fed to cut interest rates. While the Fed has hinted at a reduction of about 50 basis points sometime in 2024, the exact timing remains uncertain and will depend on upcoming economic indicators. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, click the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to that. If you're ready to take the next step in making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.